Welcome back to my vintage home kitchen retro episode or whatever we're gonna call it. And no, this is not about the keyboards this time. This time, it's about my new setup. Let me see if I can zoom out. There you go. This is my Olivetti M24, and I bought myself a desk for that computer, and I actually decided, let's put up some shelves. So I went on IKEA and I found these extremely cheap ones. They cost like nothing. It's like, what, 7-8 pounds or something like that. And they have this dip in them. So I thought they could be perfect for setting keyboards or other computers in them. So I bought myself two, as you can see here. And would you look at this? It's just perfect. So if you have an IKEA next to you, you should go and buy one of these or two or whatever, because they're perfect. Nothing falls down. Even if it were a little bit bigger, it could be like this. And I know I could put my Atari or I could put my Amstrad computers on it, and they will also be perfect aligned. So this is just a short video of this setup and of the shelves from IKEA. And no, I'm not sponsored by IKEA. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and goodbye.